listen, I know I have made an ongoing commitment to show you guys everywhere I find AI in simple places doing simple tasks. And one of the things that I found recently when I was logging on to my Adobe Docusigner to sign an NDA was that there is now an AI assistant in beta format available for you to test when you're doing when you're signing documents or editing documents or anything else. So I wanted to show you really quickly how it works. I uploaded one of my LinkedIn carousels just to do this test with you guys, but you'll notice on the homepage when you log into Adobe Acrobat, it's right there. If you click try it now, it's going to take you to an upload screen. I don't want that because I've already done that. So over here with the How Deep Is Your Love PDF, I'm going to click on the menu and use the AI assistant. It's going to, we don't need any discounts today. All right, great. So now my entire PDF from the carousel is here. Okay. So what's cool about this is if you are going to be signing a contract, an NDA, an MOU, or any lengthy document that is full of words, this AI assistant will now give you an overview of the document. So the first thing I would say is if you get an overview and it's accurate, it's good to go ahead and let them, or whether it's inaccurate or accurate, right? Let the AI assistant know if it's done a good job encapsulating the concepts and data within this document, because it helps the assistant get smarter, okay? So let's see, it's about the importance of blah, blah, blah. Yep, that's good, great. All right, now, it also will offer you some suggestions for conversation starters. So if you're used to ChatGPT, then you know what conversation starters are. This is just letting you know some of the things that you can do here. So provide a list of the 5 most important points in this document. Let's do that. And it's generating. Perfect. So it's given me 5 points right here. And then it wants to know how it's done. I'm not going to rate it right now because we're just doing a quick tutorial. Okay, now, why would this work? So again, if you have a lengthy contract and you need to do at least an overview before you sign it, again, like an NDA. Obviously, I do not suggest using only an AI reader for a record contract or a book deal or even an employment contract. But an NDA, a pretty simple document, you can use something like this for it. And if you know things to look for, like any red flags that you might want to have highlighted, you could ask the assistant to find red flags. So I wouldn't be able to use that. I can't demonstrate red flags with this document, but just consider a contract and any potential red flags. So for instance, in an NDA could potentially muzzle you from talking about a topic for 10 years. And if you don't know that, you may sign away 10 years of being able to talk about a particular topic. That would be terrible. So you could use this assistant to find that and check to see what the terms, the length of time is in the terms. So that's something. Something else that it can do, I tested this last night. Ask it to write an email. Write an email summarizing, Lord. Okay, write an email summarizing this document. The tone is relaxed professional. Okay, so it's going to do that. Boom. I'm not going to read through the entire email because I just don't want this video to be that long, but I did want to show you what it's capable of. Okay, obviously, if you do this, you're going to want to read the email, add your own touch to it, of course, reiterate if necessary. Let's see. Please write a Twitter post using the contents of this document. And there's your Twitter post. Please write a LinkedIn post using the contents of this document. Boom. Now, how about this one? Are there any significant errors in this document? Be telling on myself, right? Great. No significant errors mentioned. Fantastic. So now it's doing something else. Besides just kind of giving an overview of the document, it's also digging into the content and the concepts within the document. So there's a conversation starter about social butterfly, which I mentioned in the document, where I give a prompt or 2 prompts on how to use social butterfly AI. So I'm going to use this conversation starter and see how accurate it is. How can social butterfly AI help in refining a value proposition? Boom. There it is. It says blah, 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 da, da, da. Okay, so I'm going to ask it another question. Where can someone access social butterfly AI? Based on the information provided in the document, a person can access social butterfly AI by clicking the link provided. Okay, and it's saying exactly that. It's not specified in the document, but it is provided in the post. Okay, fantastic. So that is the AI assistant in Adobe Acrobat Docusigner. I think it's really helpful. The document that I use obviously is a very benign, very simple document. If you can conceptualize using something like this on, as I said, serious documents, things that could have long-range implications in your life, like a memo of understanding, an NDA, anything that has clauses that could muzzle you, quiet you, prevent you from working in a field, or could even affect your intellectual property. This would be super duper helpful. So this is today's, well, I don't know if it's my only installment today, but this is definitely an installment of AI Everywhere and AI at your fingertips. So I hope you've enjoyed it. And of course, this is Nicole. I will see you soon.